People think a CA only check numbers, but a CA check the truth behind every number. From statutory audit to tax audit, from internal audit to GST audit, CA protect business from mistake, frauds and failures. A chartered accountant is a trained financial professional who manages everything to money, accounting, taxation, audit, compliance and financial planning. They ensure that every business runs smoothly, legally, and efficiently. Do you really think a chartered accountant only do accounting, taxation, audit? No. He is also a financial advisor. They guide business or investment decision, budgeting, cost management, risk control, and long-term financial growth. Their insights help the company make smarter and safer financial decisions. Also, the chartered accountant do directorship, secretarial work, management accountancy, management consultancies, and many more. Let's start with accounting. A CA prepares balance sheet, profit and loss account, the cash flow statement, and keep track of every financial transaction. Accurate accounting help a company know whether it is making profit, facing losses, or need improvement. Let's start with the next session, that is the taxation. Taxation is of two types, direct tax and the indirect tax. A CA does not just file tax return, they handle GST, income tax, TDS and offer smart tax planning. They make ensure individual and businesses to pay the right amount of tax and also save legally wherever possible. Then comes auditing, one of the most important responsibilities of a CA. A CA checks the company accounts in detail, identify errors, prevent fraud, and ensure that the financial statements are true and transparent. Whether it is a statutory audit, tax audit, or internal audit, the goal is to protect the company financial integrity. Here are some top career options for CA. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.